Well, howdy there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Just sitting outside here. We're having some very picturesque weather today. Um, and what I wanted to talk about today was I want to do my monthly QYLD update. And so the dividend came in yesterday for it. So let's go over that. And I'm going to make the case for selling QYLD in the video today. So let's get right into it. So if we go to Yahoo Finance, the market overall had a really good day today. We had a rallying in the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Russell 2000, which was up over 3%. But as far as the Global X NASDAQ 100 covered call ETF, also known as QLD, it's been down since the last month. And there is a case for selling this that I want to discuss. So if we look since August 18th, it was $18.48. It's fallen $2 and about $2.37, and it continues to drop. Apologies for any noise in the background here. But yeah, so it's come back a little bit from, it was 1583 Tuesday, had a rally today. And if we go to historical data, and if we look at dividends over here, we'll filter out for dividends. Let's see here. See, this is why there's a lot of talk about selling, because so the dividend was consistent in July and August because we had that market recovery, a brief bullish run in a bear market. So we had a more decent dividend than we had in May and June, but it's back down now to 16.5 cents per share. And remember what happens, because this is a covered call ETF, so it's covered call premium. So it's selling covered calls against the NASDAQ basically. And as these funds, or as the NASDAQ index drops, so too does the premium value. And that's what happens. That's why I've actually completely stopped selling covered calls, because I mean, it worked for a couple months, but I got called out of a couple of big stocks that I had held for years. So right now I'm not doing much in terms of options. I did some leaps, but those have been decimated as well. And right now I'm just hoping that behind me doesn't also get decimated as well. I'm happy with just the leaps getting decimated. But anyway, so this is my E-Trade Roth IRA. And you can see here, these are all the dividends I've gotten since July. And just in this IRA, I'm only going to show this one because I have my most QYLD here, 210 shares. So it's gone from 38.07 in August to 34.71 in September. So that's a drop. And I would say, I mean, it's still a decent payout, you know, almost $35 on 210 shares. Let's see what Yahoo is showing for the dividend payout at this point. But like I said, I actually like JEPQ. I'm liking that one better, and that's starting to be kind of the trendy fund. Of course, home building stocks in certain areas could have a little bit of a bullish run pretty soon. But yeah, let's go back to QYLD real quick here, if Yahoo will cooperate with me. We know how crazy Yahoo can be sometimes. Let's see how. Come on, QYLD, come up. Okay, so it's 12.22% yield for the trailing 12 months, and that's because the fund price has dropped. So the dividend payout percentage is going to be higher as the fund drops in value. So that can be misleading, because like I always say, you can go on like an ETF site like etfdatabase.com, dividend database, or sites like that, and you can find that dividends are way higher than, you know, like you may find the dividend payout really attractive, but you got to ask yourself why. You know, why is the dividend so high? And a lot of times it could be because the stock has been dropping so much. So with this, for my case, like I'm thinking how long I would stay in. I mean, I don't like to take losses on stuff. Kind of stubborn about that. I mean, year-to-date total return, we're down almost 22%. And this is supposed to be, I mean, obviously the NASDAQ's free falling, but even when the NASDAQ was going up, this QYLD fund was not going up nearly as much. I mean, you would have been better just investing in the QQQ, in all honesty, unless you just love the dividend. But I would say I'll probably wait till the end of the year and make a decision. I mean, we could still keep dropping. We'll see what happens. We'll see if there's a change. Hold on a second here. Stupid call. People know better than to call me during my live stream. Or they should. I think it was a spam. It was my buddy Spam. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to wait till the end of the year and see what happens on that. Let me look up JEPQ. Obviously, there's a lot going on around me here, as you can probably tell. So JEPQ is down to $43. Still almost triple the cost of QYLD, but dividend payout still 15.89%, which is quite juicy. Let's look at historical data. Oh, it just paid out. I think it just paid out again. Let's see. Unless, no, that's just historical price. Let's see if it has data for September. Oh, September 1st. Yes, so look at that. September 1st, it had a 54.6 payout. So that's really good. I mean, I really like that one, but the price is higher, obviously. But there's some other ones. Like I said, I'm going to do some other videos on these similar types of ETFs. And I also have another fully edited video coming pretty soon. So that should be exciting. Like I said, I'm going to try to ramp up to 4 per month because, like I said, I've taken a new job offer. So things may change a little bit on this channel, but I'm still going to keep doing videos like with my face in them, at least as long as I can, on certain topics. Obviously, the topics that get more views. So with all that being said, let's see how far we are into the video here. About 7 minutes. I think that's good enough. If you like that, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks so much for tuning in. And keep an eye out for that fully edited video that should be coming in the next couple of days, maybe by Friday. Thanks so much. Take care.